welcome you all in our YouTube channel Ask Asti. The topic we are going to discuss today is first aid, its short history and importance. History of first aid is quite complicated. Man who was living in cave, he knew how to stop bleeding and how to use herbs. But as per literature, in 1831, one Swiss doctor, Sir Bernard Meyer, he was the one who invented Swiss army knife, and he also invented triangular bandage. In 1879, St. John Ambulance coined this word very first time in history, first aid, in United Kingdom. Then in 1882, one German military surgeon whose name was Frederick S. March, he popularized the use of bandages and ice packs in battlefield, and he is named as father of modern first aid. According to S. March, the primary objective of first aid is to protect the fresh wound from many insanitary factors during transportation of patient from the battlefield to the hospital. He added that insanitary factors can be bugs, can be dust, can be sunlight or anything in this environment. He said small steps taken on the route while transporting patient from a casualty from battlefield to hospital matter a lot. Small steps, they can add value to life. Afterwards, it is also very important for you all that first aid is recognition of medical risks and providing earliest assistance. So a first aider is a bridge in between casualty and the experienced medical assistance. Guys, if you feel some injury or some sickness is serious, or if you are in doubt, please activate your ERS, emergency response system, according to your company, according to your area, according to your country. And hand washing is quite essential practice. Hand washing should be done before and after every episode of care. Now, a first aider should set some priorities. His own life is his priority. It should be his priority. So first of all, protect yourself by wearing gloves. And response should be quick and calm. Please don't get panic. And also ensure there should be no cross infection. Now in first aid, according to literature, there is 3P concept. 3 P's. First P of first aid says, preserve life. Our main aim of having this exercise is to preserve life. And second aim is prevent worsening, stop deterioration of wounds. And third priority as a good first aider is to prolong recovery time. So guys, whenever you are acting like as a first aider, ensure availability of first aid box, first aid kit in your area, and size and units inside first aid box. It depends on number of workers, number of students, number of people around you. If you are working in some school, in college, in university, in office or in any workplace, please take care of your first aid box. First aid box can contain scissor, it can have tweezer, it should have tape, sticky tape, adhesive tapes, bandages, rollers, it should have CPR mask, it must have different ointments. Ointment can be for some antibiotic ointment or anti-burn ointment. Hydrocortisone for some insect bite. And in your first aid kit, You should also have, if you can add gloves in your first aid kit and mask, it will also be a good idea. So guys, in our coming episodes, you will see we shall explain to you different methods for different medical emergencies, first aid methods for different emergencies. Let's stay connected with us and keep on watching Ask Asti.